Inventory and waste management hold significant importance in today's world. These processes play a critical role in environmental sustainability, economic efficiency, and social well-being. Simultaneously, inventory can also be seen as a substantial liability. A large inventory carries risks such as spoilage, theft, damage, and changes in demand. Efficiently managing inventory and waste management processes serves the purpose of conserving our planet's natural resources and leaving a more sustainable world for future generations. Therefore, individuals, businesses, and communities should take responsibility for waste inventory management and promote sustainable practices. The Nereye Atayım software enables the tracking of inventory waste management processes. It provides the opportunity for organizations to manage, analyze, store the data, and even make improvements in their multi-phased, multi-stakeholder processes through Nereye Atayım software. The Nereye Atayım software has been successfully serving various institutions and organizations for the past 7 years. Over 255 municipalities, more than 113 licensed companies, and over 39,000 waste collection equipment units benefit from our services. To see more references, we recommend visiting our website. The installation and personal training processes for the application are completed very quickly, and the software starts delivering its benefit to users within a short time frame. Our application is designed for various user groups, including ministries, municipalities, licensed companies, citizens, public institutions, warehouse areas, buildings, and campuses. It is a platform where different users groups come together based on their needs and preferences. Now, I'd like to provide a general overview of how Nereye Atayım application works. As the first step, users download the Nereye Atayım application on their Android-based smartphones or tablets. For desktop users, the application is installed. QR code labels, customized to meet specific needs and preferences, are easily affixed to the inventory equipment. Weighing equipment can be integrated with the software, ensuring that the changes in the inventory are quickly and accurately transferred to the system. Once all these steps are completed, the Nereye Atayım application starts functioning. Users can effectively carry out inventory management and waste tracking processes. These steps form the fundamental working principle of the application, assisting users in organizing their inventories and optimizing their waste management. Additionally, for scenarios where real-time viewing during collection is not possible, the system requests input parameters from users and provides services such as estimating inventory occupancy based on the input parameters and weighing data using a mathematical model after collection. For citizens, thanks to our mobile application, students can view the location of the nearest waste container defined in our app to dispose of their waste. They can also benefit from our navigation services to find directions to the nearest waste container. Requests and complaints are recorded and standardized for measurability. Complaints can be documented with supporting elements such as photos for verification. For collection personnel and operations, personnel enter the relevant data directly into software through integrated weighing equipment via the mobile application. They can track work orders through the mobile application. Assigning work orders through a digital platform efficiently saves time. The software prioritizes the most optimal routes for collection operations. It digitally tracks processes such as operational information and maintenance documentation for vehicles. Personnel can report incidents like accidents or non-compliance with photos. Starting and ending mileage are recorded. This data is stored in the system for cost analysis and reporting modules. More detailed information about the collection process can be found in the later sections of the video. For warehouse or campus staff, building, campus, warehouse personnel can report their collection requests directly through the mobile application or desktop application. When collection requests are opened for inventory, the icons on the map become dynamic, alerting authorized users. The groundwork is laid for generating analysis reports related to requests. Fullness requests received are handled by a robot operator. Requesters are informed about the progress through email notifications for later states. Desktop users have the capability to track operation and processes according to their permissions assigned to them. They can digitally issue work and collection orders, they can monitor inventories along with their characteristics and location information. With efficient reporting feeders, they have the ability to generate reports in Excel format using various filtering options, such as by inventory type, quantity, and transaction dates. More detailed information about the advanced reporting feeders will be explained in the later sections. Collection operations with Nereye Atayım. Firstly, the user logs into the mobile application. Operations have been predefined in the system and the user views their assigned operations. The initial mileage of the vehicle is recorded in the system. The application ranks the 5 closest locations based on their proximity and then generates a route on the map. Authorized users can monitor the progress of operations in real time during these processes. Once collection vehicles arrive at their respective locations, the collection personnel scan the QR code on the equipment. Subsequently, for occupancy estimations, the equipment and hardware are divided based on their specifications. If the collection is done using onboard weighing scales, personnel directly weigh the inventory and the quantity information is automatically entered into the system. Occupancy estimations are performed using real-time weighing data and the mathematical model within the software. If there are no onboard weighing scales, personnel estimates the fill percentage of the inventory through visual inspection and enters the estimated occupancy percentage into the application. At the end of the collection process, the vehicle is brought to the scale and the total collected inventory quantity is entered into the system. The software, using the mathematical model and the entered estimated quantity data, initiates the estimation process. System installation consists of 5 main stages and is completed very quickly. The system installation process consists of the following stages. First stage. Locations are defined in the system. Waste types are defined so that inventory is registered in the system. Second stage. Relevant vehicles are registered in the system along with their specifications. User personnel are added to the system. Third stage. Operations are defined in the system. Work orders are entered in the system and the system becomes active after this stage. Fourth stage. Data collected during the operational phase undergoes statistical analysis in this stage to calculate occupancy rates. This enables real-time predictions to be reflected in the system. Filling frequencies and occupancy percentages begin to appear on digital maps. Fifth stage. Routing operations begin, aiming to achieve maximum efficiency with minimum resource utilization.
It is possible to list the benefits of Nereye Atayım software under 4 main headings. Now, I will outline the advantages of the application for you. Traceability. Real-time location information of the equipment and vehicles is tracked via digital map. Collection requests are initiated and viewed on the digital map. Operational points are displayed on the digital map. Inventory occupancy information is observed on the digital map. Personnel can be monitored throughout the entire operation process. Equipment lifespans and locations are determined. Carbon footprints of vehicles are calculated. Instant waste quantities carried by vehicles are displayed. Fuel consumption amounts of vehicles are tracked. Relevant legal documents and maintenance are monitored for vehicles. Incidents such as breakdowns and accidents can be instantly documented in the system with photographs. In the event of foreign substance in the inventory, they are photographed and instantly recorded in the system. Tracking of work orders issued through the software is ensured. Efficient reporting. Within the specified date range, quantity information is reported based on the type of inventory. The number of operation and operation points conducted from the specified building, facility, warehouse, project activity point is reported. Quantity information is recorded for waste or inventory acquisitions made from the specified building, facility, warehouse, project activity point. Reports are generated on personnel's conducted operations and the quantity of inventory waste they processed. Fuel consumption reports of vehicles are presented to the user with financial statistics. Malfunctioning collection equipment or vehicle data is transferred from the mobile application to the desktop system, ensuring regular and sustainable maintenance records. Cost reports are generated on an operation basis. Carbon footprint reports are created on an operation basis. The option to export desired reports to Excel format is provided. The creation of request tracking reports is made possible through the Nereye Atayım software. Transparency. Users have the capability to retrieve data and gather information from the system based on their permissions and roles. This ensures compliance and coordination in multi-stakeholder or multi-platform projects. By systematically and instantly recording all processes into the system, a transparent database is created. Any issues that disturb the workflow during operations are documented with photographs, maintaining a transparent record. Since processes, data, and parameters are instantly transferred to the system with concrete data and information, an overall transparent process is established. Efficiency. Digital issuance of work orders is facilitated. Route planning becomes possible by considering the occupancy rates of inventories or collection equipments. Cost reduction is achieved through cost analysis. Productivity is enhanced through the concrete evaluation of personnel with productivity reports in the Nereye Atayım project. Routes are mapped for vehicles through the application, allowing for cost savings. I would like to illustrate the effectiveness of the application in terms of efficiency with an example. Below, you can see a list of the budgets allocated by Bucak municipality for cleaning services over the years. Starting in the year 2020, Bucak municipality began using the Nereye Atayım software, resulting in savings of approximately 800,000 Turkish liras. They have achieved a 19% reduction in costs and a 35% increase in efficiency. The software, Nereye Atayım, offers you a sustainable and green system along with is constructed under 4 essential headings, including traceability, effective reporting, transparency, and efficiency. In this way, we have the opportunity to meet our own needs without compromising the ability to meet with the needs of future generations. To start with, I'd like to mention that Bucak municipality, which we presented under the efficiency heading, achieved a 35% increase in efficiency in 2020, considering inflation, thanks to the use of Nereye Atayım software. This efficiency increase provided by the software has created an excitement in Turkey and has been reflected in the media. The Union of Municipalities of Turkey published these processes in its publication and honored the Nereye Atayım family. In addition, I'd like to share Lütfü Kıpkıp's feedback on the Nereye Atayım software. Lütfü Kıpkıp is the general manager of Atkasan Company, which manages waste collection and recycling activities in Turkey.
We have been using the Nereye Atayım software for more than 2 years now. Thanks to this software that we can easily manage our operations with over 50 trucks in the province of İzmir, Ankara and Manisa. Coordination, cost tracking and traceability have become much easier for us thanks to the software. We highly recommend this software to companies looking to improve their expanding business.
Dear audience, if you want to manage your opportunities and processes in a digital, transparent, traceable, and sustainable way with maximum profit and minimum resource utilization, you're invited to the Nereye Atayım family. Thank you for listening to us.